everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Uber Eats account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first go ahead, access your Uber Eats on your mobile phone, and once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon that will be given below right corner, and now this will open up the settings for your profile. Which we need is deleting our account, so we'll go to our privacy option given here, and here in the section you can find this kind of interface. If you scroll down to the below here in this account security, you will find this option called account deletion, which we need. So tap on it, and now you gotta go ahead, enter your phone number or email that is designated with your account itself. You're gonna go ahead, tap on this next afterwards, and now you're gonna go ahead, fill the code. You just got the code, you're gonna go ahead, copy it from over here and enter the code here. And now you're gonna go to your email inbox and get the code for yourself, and then copy the code, go back, paste it, and now this will open this kind of information. You can see the delete your account. This will show you the info. Tap on this continue again, and now choose a reason, prefer not to say, tap on delete account, and your account deletion request was successful. You will now be logged out, and you can see now our account is deleted. That's how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.